Hi guys, Adrian the Porsche lover. As usual, we'll start with a wristwatch check. Summary today is a beautiful Cartier Tank Solar Beat. This is actually a very cool piece where this is Cartier's first ever solar watch released back in 2021. Alright. So for today, I have a very interesting case study, which is this 718 Cayman. So this car actually did a PPI with us, a pre-purchase inspection. He bought the car, but it actually resides in Penang, which is a northern state in Malaysia. So what happened is that this car misfires at certain RPMs, usually 3000 and above, and when you rev it hard, but the problem is that it only happens intermittently. That means it happens on and off at times. There's no there's no pattern to it. However, the person sent it to a shop back in Penang where they actually tried to resolve the issue. So they did many items in the car. They replaced the spark plugs, of course, the ignition coils, they replaced the high pressure pump, they even actually did a compression test of the car and said the car was alright. So they did a lot of stuff in the car already, so but couldn't resolve the issue as well. So in the end, the owner actually drove all the way from Penang to us, which is about a 4 hours drive, to check and see what's the problem with the car, because he couldn't stand it, the car being too long in the shop. At the same time, the issue wasn't resolved. So when the car first came in, we actually tried to troubleshoot and see what's wrong, starting with the basic items, which were the spark plugs. So we labeled them, we swapped them around, including the ignition coil. So in the end, true enough, it was actually the plugs that were having the issue. So when you look at the plugs and everything, it looks okay. That means there's no issues with it. The possibility that we could conclude was that item number one, the parts were defective, or number two, parts are actually could be from a fake source, because there are a lot of fake parts in Malaysia right now. People order line from Shopee, Lazada. So we actually had another case about a month ago where the parts electrode actually melted off, which is very bad for the car itself. So yeah, so please be careful, and hopefully this sharing is informative for you. Thank you and have a good day.